Hi everyone, it's Femi Olanio here, and in this video, I'll be talking about scalping versus day trading. I'll break these two trading strategies and help you to understand which one is better for you. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video is good for you because understanding the differences between these two trading strategies can significantly impact your trading success. But before we go into this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olanio. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now, before we go into the differences between scalping and day trading, let's first define these two trading strategies. Now, first, let's talk about scalping. What is scalping? Scalping is a trading strategy that focuses on making numerous small profits throughout the day. Now, scalpers hold positions for a very short period, probably just for a few seconds or a few minutes, and the goal of a scalper is to capitalize on small price movement to make profit, usually within the most volatile hours of the trading day. Now, what is day trading? Day trading is a trading strategy that involves trading crypto within a single trading day or the same trading day. Now, traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies multiple times within the day with the aim of profiting from short-term price fluctuations in the crypto market. Now, this approach requires real-time analysis of the market trends and monitoring of price movement. Now, traders need to stay updated with the latest market news and use technical analysis tools to make informed decisions. It also requires continuous attention to the market and quick decision-making abilities. Now that we've defined these two trading strategies, what are the important things you need to know and which strategy is right for you? Now, the first thing you need to know is time commitment. Now, scalping is a trading strategy that requires constant monitoring of the market and quick reactions, which can be demanding and stressful. While for day trading, though day trading is also demanding and stressful, but it also allows you to take trades for longer minutes or hours, and it allows for slightly longer periods of analysis and decision making. Now, what I mean by this is that for scalping, you only take trades for few seconds or few minutes, like 1 minute to let's say 5 minutes, while for day trading, you can take a trade for 30 minutes to 1 hour or even up to 4 hours. I hope you understand. Now, that's for time commitment. Now, the second thing you need to know is risk tolerance. Now, both strategies involve high risk, but scalping strategy generally involves making smaller gains and losses, while day trading can lead to larger profits but also larger losses. Now, what I mean by this is that for scalping, your target will most likely be to make 1% to 2% profit, and if you lose, you also lose like 1%. So for scalping, you are making smaller gains and smaller losses. But for day trading, you can target 10 to 50% profit in a day with futures trading or even more than 50% profit. But if you lose, you can also lose as high as that. So again, they are both risky, but scalping involves making smaller gains and losses, while for day trading, you can make larger profits but also larger losses. I hope you understand that. Now, the third thing you need to know is the market knowledge. Now, for scalping, it requires a deep understanding of market structure and liquidity, whereas day trading benefits from a broader analysis of market trends and the events in the news. Now, what this means is that for scalping, you need to be very good at identifying liquidity positions and knowing when to enter and exit your trades, because market liquidity and volatility is what scalpers depend on to make consistent profit. But for day traders, they need to understand a wider form of analysis and know how to analyze market trends. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is the trade frequency. Now, for scalping, it involves executing high number of trades throughout the day. Now, sometimes scalpers can take hundreds of trades in a day. This is because they need to execute their trades in few seconds or few minutes, like I said earlier. Day trading, on the other hand, usually involves fewer trades, ranging from, let's say, 1 trade to 10 trades in a day. Now, the next thing you need to know is the holding period. Now, scalpers, like I said earlier, hold their positions for a few seconds to a few minutes, aiming to make small but frequent profits. While for day traders, they hold their positions for several minutes to several hours in order to take advantage of substantial price movement. Now, that's for the holding period. But before I go to the next one, if you are learning something new from this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know what you've learned so far in this video. Now, the next thing you need to know is the profit target. Now, for scalping, you aim for small profit margin for every trade, while for day trading, you aim for larger profit in every trade. I hope you understand. Now, the next one is the risk management. Now, scalpers always use very tight stop loss orders to minimize losses, while day traders may set wider stop loss levels, given that they can hold their trades for longer periods. Remember that I said scalpers always aim to make 1% to 2% profit on every trade. So this means that whenever they are setting stop loss, they need to be setting their stop loss to lose maybe 1% or even 0.5% of their portfolio. While for day traders, they aim to make like 10% profit to as high as 30%, 50%, and even higher as that. So whenever day traders are setting their stop loss, they can give it a wider range. They can maybe set their stop loss to lose 10%, 15%, 20%, or any amount you are willing to risk. Now, the next thing is the market analysis. For this, scalpers always focus on short-term market movement whenever they are doing their analysis, while for day traders, they use technical analysis, chart patterns, and sometimes fundamental analysis to make decisions. Now, the next thing to know is the best timing. Now, scalping is the most effective and the best trading strategy to use during volatile market hours, usually at the start of the trading day. While for day trading, it can be done throughout the day, and there's no specific best timing for day trading. The next thing you need to know is the stress level. Now, scalping can be highly stressful due to the need for constant attention and quick decision making. As a scalper, you honestly need to be in front of your monitor to monitor your trade and be ready to take quick decisions when trading. But for day trading, it is also demanding, but it is less stressful when compared to scalping. The next thing you need to know is the capital needed. Now, scalpers, they need significant capital to make any meaningful profit from small price movement, especially because of the trading fees. While day traders may require less capital as they can make larger profit from larger price movement. Remember that a scalper will target to make 1% to 2% profit. So if you want to be a scalper, you need large capital to make any reasonable profit. And remember that since a scalper will be taking 50 to 100 trades in a day, you'll be paying trading fees. So you need a large capital. The next thing is the ease of learning. Now, for me, I feel scalping is not easy to learn due to its fast-paced nature and the need for specialized knowledge in liquidity and volatility of the market. While day trading is easier to learn for beginners because it gives you the space and the time to carry out a comprehensive analysis before taking your trades. Now, another reason why scalping might be harder is that for scalping, scalpers need to focus on analyzing 1 or 2 or even 3 candlesticks, and it is very hard for a trader to study just 1 or 2 candlesticks to make a decision. But for day trading, you can easily know the trend in the market and trade according to that trend, and you can even analyze multiple candlesticks. So by understanding these differences, you can better determine which trading strategy aligns with your personal preferences, your risk tolerance, and your time availability. Both scalping and day trading have their unique advantages and their disadvantages, so choose the one that suits you best. Also, you need to know that both strategies can be profitable if executed correctly. So again, it's crucial to choose the one that aligns with your trading style, your risk tolerance, and your time availability. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn the differences between day trading and swing trading, click the video showing on your screen right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.